specific video today. If it's your first time watching my video, this is Mike Internet Pro. I've been working with My Instant Pays, and it's an amazing product, and it has some really good Facebook training in the back. And like in the back office, there's a ton of Facebook and Instagram training, and also a couple other videos on Twitter, and a couple more too. But I really like the Facebook training, the Instagram training. It brings instant. So I just basically ramped up. Okay, you can see here. Here's how my leads were coming in. They were a little spaced out. You can see they're a little spaced out. Like this one is almost like, what is it, almost 4 hours there. It's spaced out. So I put the training to work, and here it goes at noontime. You can see 12:35, 12:58, and then look how it just goes crazy after that. It just goes nuts. 1 o'clock, 1:11, 1:22, 1:27, 1:33, 39, 42, 44, 46, 51, and right now it just turned 2 o'clock. So it's like boom, 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 and I believe I'm gonna have more leads today than I've had, all week. It's just consistent right now. The training is amazing, guys. Get your hands on My Instant Pays. That is the program, guys. Okay, they accept PayPal is accepted. You'll get paid through PayPal. You get your own website. You get your own products. You get your own training. It's amazing. Can't say enough good things about it. The training has really made a difference. So go ahead, guys. Click the link below. Get started today. Talk to you later, guys. Out.